I get pleasure from hanging out with my friends, working out, traveling. Why is it so easy to talk about pleasure for so many things except when it comes to pleasure from sex? At most, maybe we talk about it with our closest friends over a drunk brunch or in the comfort of our dorms, hidden away from societal judgment.
The stigma around sex is so widespread, and talking about pleasurable sex is even harder. Imagine a young woman experiencing painful sex and not seeking help because of the fear of being judged or for wanting pleasurable sex. Painful sex can be a result of vaginismus, which is the involuntary tensing of the vagina, and this can happen at the start of sex while inserting a tampon or even during a pelvic exam. This condition can make intercourse very painful, which results in a non-pleasurable experience for many women. But society has normalized women having a less pleasurable experience, especially compared to their male counterparts. Lots of women attribute it to the fact that it's just the way it is, but many haven't even considered that there was a medical condition behind it.
This has been so normalized that there is a significant orgasm gap between men and women. To be clear, this is discussing heterosexual sexual encounters. In a 2018 study conducted with 50,000 people, 95% of heterosexual men said they usually or always orgasm when sexually intimate, while only 65% of heterosexual women said the same. Women have less orgasms than men. Because this has been the norm for so long, many think that women just have a limited biological capacity. This isn't the case. It's tied to a lack of foreplay, education, amongst a variety of factors.
Women may experience less pleasure from intercourse due to these factors. This is the unfortunate reality. However, everyone has the right to pleasure, and in a society where pleasure is often seen as a taboo topic, it's important for us to have open dialogues about sexual health and rights. Pleasure comes from a variety of things, but the least talked about is from sex. Everyone deserves the right to a fulfilling and pleasurable sexual experience, and this starts with recognizing and addressing the barriers that prevent many from achieving it. We can work towards a future where sexual pleasure is seen as a legitimate and important aspect of overall health and well-being for all individuals.